In this video, I'll show you how you can fix high ping in Fortnite. Now, the first thing that I suggest you do is you open up CMD, right click and run as an administrator. In here, we want to type in these commands one by one. So the first one, ipconfig space /flush DNS, press enter. Then the next one, enter, next one, enter, next one, enter, and next one, enter. After that, you can close it down. Once you've closed it down, what you want to do is come here and search for View Network Connections. Find your internet, right click, Properties. In here, find your Internet Protocol version 4, Properties. Use the following DNS. Try and use this one, 8888, and then 8844. Press OK and then check if your Fortnite works better. Now, if it still doesn't work, what you can do is you can find your internet, right click, disable, and then right click, enable. After that, what I suggest you do is you search for VPN and make sure you're not using a VPN. After that, you want to make sure in your Fortnite lobby, so come to the settings right here, go to game right here, and make sure your matchmaking region is on the best one. So for me, if I chose mine to be on Oceania, I would have 300 ping instead of 17 on Europe. So make sure you have either auto or you choose the best one. Now, as a last suggestion, if none of these work, what I suggest you do is you come here and search for network reset, open it, reset now, and restart your PC. You can also physically find your router in your house, and then you can plug it off and then wait 1 minute or so and then plug it back in, and then it will reset your internet. Now, I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.